Hello gang, Skypilot here, welcome to my channel. I have a cardboard box in front of me with AtomRC.com on it. If you thought the dodo was extinct, not anymore. This is hot off the press from Makerfire. Check out the link below. This is the Skyzone AtomRC Dodo 120mm FPV drone. Skyzone and AtomRC have got together to create this cool little unit. As we all know, Skyzone make a fairly decent bit of kit, so I'm expecting this to be nothing short of pretty cool. So straight into the box, we have some nice foam to protect everything. We've got a wiring diagram for our different types of receivers. We've got some spare props by the look of it. We have a bag containing some spares. What's in here then? Receiver plug, so we can easily attach whatever receiver we need to. I've got the XM Plus sorted out for this one. Two spare canopies, black and red. It's like moulded plastic. Fairly strong, should be good. A little bag containing numerous nuts and bolts. Spare Velcro AtomRC strap. And a couple of mounts which look to be like something you would attach perhaps crossfire antennas to or something like that. I'll have to look at that because I'm not entirely sure what they're for. Pull the drone out of the box. It's quite nicely packed in there. Arm to arm, we're looking at 150mm XT30 plug on the rear there. So this is the D120. You can get the D120 Pro variant of this. This has the 8000 kV motors, whereas the 120 has the 5000 kV 1105s. This has the 8000 1103s, 300 milliwatt VTX. It's the Caddx Turbo EOS 2 up the front here. Some nice little gem fan props. So the 4-in-1 is an Exceed 15 amp 4-in-1 mini, Exceed F411 flight controller, and the BLS 15 amp 4-in-1 mini making up the stack. So if you look online, you can get loads of spares for this. There are a few different variants of this actually, so check them out guys. I'll have a link down below where you can get this one from. Looking at the camera up the front here, it does look like it's got a fairly decent range of adjustability there, so that's really cool. Now looking at the frame, it is a 3mm frame. I'm predicting that's going to be fairly strong. It's just a single cast. Nice little battery rubber underneath. Motors are held on with 3 screws. Props are also held on with screws. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do some soldering, put on my XM Plus receiver, and let's jump over to Betaflight once we've done that and get it bound. That's the XM Plus receiver soldered up, positive, negative and S-bus. I'll just put some heat shrink around the whole receiver now, just to protect it so that when I shove it under the canopy and connect it up, it doesn't short itself out. Still get to the bind button, perfect. It's always good to use a smoke stopper gang in case things aren't wired up correctly. Let's see how we go binding this to my Taranis. So today I'm going to be flying with a Tateu 3S 450 on the scales guys, with the receiver weighing in at 67.7 grams and with your 3S battery weighing in at 108.45 grams. There you have it, guys. Thanks to makerfire.com. This is the Skyzone Atom RC D120. Betaflight, guys, I can tell you without boring you, really straightforward. You do need a USB-C, as it doesn't have the standard USB micro connector there, so it shouldn't be a hassle for anybody. VTX, pump that up to 300. Betaflight, it recognises your video straight away. The only thing I need to play with in Betaflight to fly this, guys, was just to fiddle around with the OSD, which is really simple. Apart from that, everything else is as good to go, which is really, really good. It's getting a bit dark now, so I can't fly, so that will be coming up tomorrow. I've stuck down the XT30 to the arm there, making sure you miss the motor wires. I'm really looking forward to having a fly this. Who said the Dodo was dead? The Skyzone Atom RC Dodo 120. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.